Hello, my name is Adaliset Gutierrez. I am 35 years old. I am a travel agency. I am a married. I live in Bogotá, Cundinamarca. And my free time, I love to play volleyball. I love to play soccer. I love to cook. In my exercise is 2 cell phones. I am going to compare 2 cell phones. One is the Nokia 3.1 and the other is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The Samsung S10 Plus takes better photos than Nokia 3.1. The Nokia 3.1 is smaller than Samsung S10 Plus. The memory of the Samsung S10 Plus is bigger than the Nokia's. Nokia 3.1 is lower than Samsung S10 Plus. The display of the Samsung S10 Plus has more resolution than Nokia's. And Nokia's 3.1 battery has less duty than Samsung S10 Plus 1.